What's up, guys? 500, we did it. So we started this channel about 7 months ago, and I can't believe we got 500 followers now. So it's been quite a journey in making videos. I started with no experience making movies with the iMovie, and slowly progressing into better apps and things like that. So again, I want to thank all of my sponsors with product. I want to thank you guys, for all my viewers, for watching our videos, and again, thank you for commenting and keeping this channel alive. And want to thank Ham Anti-Off-Road guys for the help with my installs. Most importantly, again, you guys. So without you guys, these videos won't be happening. This has added a layer of fun to all my trips. So stay tuned as we drop more videos and make our way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys all for the help and also for subscribing. I'll catch you guys later.